Good afternoon to everyone. So today we are going to learn about different types of parts of plant, and we are going to practically see whether the parts are present which we are seeing in textbook are there present in naturally or not. Understand? Yes. So let's start with roots. Let's start with roots. So tell me, how many types of roots are there? Very good. There are two types of roots. There are two types of tap root and fibrous roots. Tap roots are present in, very good, carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. And fibrous roots are present in grass, wheat, dicotyledon. So tell me, in monocotyledon, which type of roots are present? Which type of root are present? Fibrous root. And in dicot, tap root. Very good. After that, we came to learn about stem. What we learn? Stem. So tell me, is stem a green part or non-green part? Green part. So on stem, two types of node are there, nodes and internode. From node, leaves, branches and flowers are going to arise. From node, leaves, branches and flowers are going to. Can you see a stalk-like structure? Can you see a stalk-like structure? These colorful parts. We will remove this part. And can you see stamen? Can you see? Look at your flowers. Look at your flowers. Everybody look into your flowers. Better look into your flowers. Everybody look into your flowers. Can you see anther and filament? Look closely. You will see stamen. You will see? Stamen is a male reproductive part of a flower. Stamen is a male reproductive part of a flower. Stamen is a male reproductive part of a flower. See. Can you see on stamen, filament and anther? Very good. Which grain? Pollen grain. Anther produce pollen grain. Anther produce pollen grain. Now what I will do? I will show you the innermost female reproductive part of a flower. Let's see. I will tear this part over here. Now see. It is pistil and it is made up of stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary. Okay, stigma, style and ovary. On which part will the pollen grain resides of female reproductive? Which part pollen grains will come? Very good. Which part? Pistil. But of pistil, which part? Stigma. Pollen grain will lie on stigma. Pollen grains will rise on stigma. After that, it will go to style. After that, it will go to style. And after that, it will go to ovary. After that, what is this? Pedicel. What is this? Pedicel. Pedicel. This is sepals. Sepals. These are petals. These are petals. Now these filaments are stamens and pistils. Stamen and insect or bird. Then who will be the agent of pollination? Insect or bird. Insects or bird. So there are very different types of agents present in nature which carry forward the pollination. Pollination. Very good. Now we have already learned types of leaf. We have already learned. Now see. Lamina. What is this? Lamina. And what is this vein going from the midrib? What is this? Midrib. And there are veins. So there are two types of leaves we have already seen in venation. That reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation and reticulate venation and
it is a sepal.
Very good.
It is a petals. Male reproductive part of flower is stamen.
Very good. And tell me female reproductive.
The female reproductive part of flower is pistil.
Very good.
This is pedicles. This is sepals. This is petals. And male reproductive part is stamen and female reproductive part is pistil.
Very good. Clap for Tejaswini. 1, 2, 3 is pedicel. This is
Pedicel.
This is sepals.
Sepals.
Petals.
Petals.
Male reproductive part is stamen.
Pedicel. Sepals.
Petals.
Petals.
Male
Male
reproductive
reproductive part is stamen.
Very good.
And female reproductive part is
pistil.
pistil. Pedicle, cephal, petal, stamen, and the female reproductive part is pistil.
Very good. Clap for Lokesh.